Yes, hello. I've got some sort of alert on my computer. It says the firewall's detecting suspicious incoming network connections, and I think it's sort of blocked my internet or something.
What were you doing on with your computer that you have this issue?
I was on YouTube, trying to go to YouTube.
Just like that, you were visiting over the internet where by any chance accidentally you click some bad link or an advertisement. That's why your security got compromised and you're having this issue. May I
Okay.
know, like, are you the only user of this computer?
Yes.
What kind of security are you using to protect your device?
I think Windows Defender's on it somewhere.
And how old is this computer?
It's just over a year old.
Maybe saying your securities are not working properly, maybe it got infected, that's why these infections and viruses have been entered and your Windows computer puts a block here to get you aware about this issue. We need to go ahead and get connected to your computer to check out the problem so that we can provide you with the best solution to fix it up, okay?
Okay.
I want you to look at your keyboard.
Yes.
At the bottom left corner of your keyboard, you will see there a Windows key which looks like a four-box key and a small window. Do you see that?
Yes.
From one finger, I want you to press and hold down the Windows key. While holding the Windows key down from your other finger, press letter R, R for Romeo, both the keys at the same time.
Yes. Now I've got a box that says type the name of a program, file, the document, or internet resource.
Now you can release all the keys, and in that box, I want you to type in there I explore, that's IEX,
Yes.
P for Peter,
Yes.
LORE.
Yes.
After I explore, leave a single space.
Yes.
After the space, it's www dot.
Yes.
After the dot is support, like I am supporting it.
Yes.
SUPPORT, support.
Yes.
After support, there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
After 5, it's .com.
Yes. Okay.
Now click on OK.
Okay.
Now what you have on your screen,
It says establish support connection. Type your name and support key.
type in there your name and I will give you your support key.
Yes.
Alright, so your support key is 437
437
558
558
695.
695. Yep.
Now click on continue.
Okay. Yes. Do I? It says run
Once you
save.
click on continue at the, sorry,
It says run save or cancel.
click on run. Now one option will appear on your screen. You need to click on yes.
Okay.
One more option will appear on your screen. You need to click on yes again.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Cloud support. Yes. I clicked on kick. Yep.
Alright, can you see my mouse moving on your screen?
Yes.
I'm connected to you. I will see to it what's going wrong. Before moving further, let me tell you this call may be recorded for quality and assurance purpose.
Okay.
This is your firewall is detecting some suspicious activities is going around. That's the
Yes.
reason the Windows puts a block to get you on this website about
Hmm.
cycling, sports, and all?
Yes. It's looking at getting a push bike.
Sorry.
I was looking at buying a push bike. Yeah, cycle machine. I don't know what you call them.
So right now you are on this kind of website when you have the issue, right?
Yes.
Right. It's just like that. So the website that you are visiting, that this website is not safe and secure. That's the reason you're having this issue. I'm just opening up another website. Just give me a moment here. Okay. So may I know what kind of other work you do on this computer?
Oh, I do online shopping. Like I was going to buy that push bike there online, and I do eBay.
Mm-hmm. The computer is also responding slow. You also feel that?
Oh well, I'm not using it at the moment, so I don't know. It could be the pop-up.
All
Maybe
right.
it's.
I want you to use your computer and open up here any website of your choice, any different website. Can
Oh,
you do that?
well, I've got to go Google then. Hey.
Anything, sir.
Yeah, I'll see if I can Google. I like Google.
Alright, so as you
Yeah.
can see, you have opened up our Google website. Now you can leave your mouse.
Okay.
Alright, so right now you have opened up a Google website, and here I've opened up our Facebook as well, okay?
Okay. Yes.
Let's go ahead and talk about our Facebook website. Can you see on our Facebook website at the top there is a lock here? Can you see this lock?
Yes.
It says security report. This is the secure, that means this website is secure. If you talk about the Google, can you see there is a lock?
Yes.
Because this is a secure website, but the website that you were visiting, can you see there is no lock?
Yeah. It's only HTTP.
Because this kind of
Yeah.
websites are not safe and secure. There are a lot of
That's.
infections and hidden links are there, which by any chance accidentally you click on that. That's why your infections and viruses have been entered your devices and you're having this issue. That's why your firewall got compromised and you're having this problem. I'm just checking it out for you. This is my information right in front of your screen. Issue that you're facing, like you got infected with the online infections. I'm just checking it out, the security here. So may I know, is this the first time you're having a problem like this?
Yes.
As I can see, it's a Windows 8.1 i5 processor that you're using. If we talk about the security that you have, as you can see on the screen, the virus protection that you're using, it says you're using a Windows Defender. And it's working fine. There is no problem with that. This spyware protection that you're using is Windows Defender. It's also working fine. There is no problem with that. But can you see at the bottom it says network protection is turned off?
That's completely normal, but
So if you can hear me, you should reply to me if I'm there to help you.
yes, yes, I can hear you. Yes,
If you will not gonna reply, yeah, if you're not gonna reply, like, well, I will understand, like you understanding the things what I'm trying to say here.
I understand. Yes.
Your network protection, this security is not there. That's the reason you're having this issue. This security is known as Windows Firewall, the networking wall. As you can see, how does it work? It says Windows Firewall can help you to prevent from hackers and malicious software from
Yeah.
getting access to your PC through the internet, but this says it's not connected.
Yeah.
That's
Of
the
course.
reason you're having this problem here. Like this computer has already been damaged right now. Slowly and slowly, the other devices that is connected, like a mobile phone, a tablet, a smart TV, any device that is connected to the same network, they will also get infected due to this because your entire networking got infected. Because this is a networking wall, it's nothing to do with the computer. You can change your computer, you can repair your computer or purchase a brand new computer. You will have the issue again and again. Like, can you see the image on your screen?
Yes.
This is the exact situation that is going on. This is your internet provider. Provider is providing you a good connection to your Wi-Fi or a modem through which your computer, mobile phone, tablet that you have is connected. This is the firewall, the protection wall, and these are the websites. If if you are using any of your device and going to some unsecure website, infections and viruses, they damage this kind of firewall and have entered your computer. Slowly and slowly, the others will got infected because this is not there. You can change your computer, purchase a new computer. Once you come back, you will have the issue again. Because
Okay.
you can change anything, but you cannot change your locality, your IP address, your identity.
Yes.
Whatever you do is through this. You are putting your information, online
Okay.
shopping, banking, whatever stuff you're doing, Facebook, emails, all goes through this your locality.
Yes.
Right now you're calling from New South Wales, Australia. It's a DPG internet that you're using, right?
Yes.
So that's why you're having this issue, sir, because an open network connection, your security is not there. I'm just performing a scan to check it out, the number of infections and
Okay.
viruses. Your networking name is Steven, right?
Yes.
So may I know, according to you, how many devices you have in total which is connected under your identity? Devices are like your mobile phone, your smart TVs, your tablets.
I've just got the laptop and the phone, that's it. I don't use the TV on the internet.
All right. If you can see, if I go ahead and talk about this, there's 239 viruses which have
Really?
been found. Can you see that?
Okay.
It also says spawn infections which have been detected. May I know who was spawn on this computer?
I don't know. I think this guy
Because of
actually
these
typed
kind
it
of
in.
infections and viruses which have been found, they can go in and use your IP address, your identity, your locality, and perform illegal activities that can cause you problem. The computer that you are using, it works for services that is provided you by a manufacturer, that is Microsoft. But right now, this computer puts a block and you will also not able to use this computer anymore without fixation, because all the services that is provided you by a manufacturer, they have been damaged, they have been stopped by these infections and viruses.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Yeah, okay, yes.
That's the reason it puts a block, like these are running, these are stopped, I can see the number of stop services. It's all been happening because of the online infection, not only your devices, people around you, your friends who visit your home, they'll
Yes.
get their device will also get infected. What you require, sir, you require a web security experts, a networking technician. They are the ones who can fix up these issues and secure your identity from getting hacked. They need to go ahead and provide you with a cleanup to clean the viruses, junks, and infection from your computer so that you can use it. And then they need to clean up your entire networking and remove the pawn infection so that the other people and the other devices will not get infected. And a proper security should be installed over your networking so that you not have these issues again in future, okay?
Okay.
And in order to do that, this job has to be done by the web security experts or networking technicians. They need to go ahead and work over it to fix up this problem. Right now, you're using a genuine Windows here. As you can see, it says all rights are reserved.
Yes.
So only a certified technicians who have proper authority to work over your networking, they will go ahead and fix up these issues right now, right away. And in order to fix up this problem, they require some cleanup tools and softwares, and these are the paid tools. That means it's gonna cost you a fee to fix it up, okay?
Okay.
Technicians who will gonna work, they have to work right now, right away, and it's gonna take approximately 30 to 40 minutes to fix up this whole issues remotely. Your personal stuff will be 100% safe and secure. No need to stay on the call. You can sit back and relax. They're
Yes.
gonna make all the important services up and running. They're gonna remove the unwanted programs downloaded without
Yes.
your knowledge, and a cleanup will be done to clean the junks, infections, and viruses.
Yeah.
They're gonna erase the bad connections from the middle of your networking. Or
Okay.
infection has to be removed, and optimization will be done to upgrade the drivers. And the technician, the tools that they requires to fix up these issues, the first tool they requires is to clean up your device and your networking which has been infected, and the removal of pawn infections and viruses.
Yes.
And the second tool they requires to clean up your device. If we go ahead and talk about the cleanup of your networking which has been infected right now, it's gonna cost you around $279.99.
Okay.
And the cleanup of your device which has been infected will cost you around $79.99. This will be the cost of the tools that required to make it safe and secure. Each and everything will be documented to your email account, They
Okay.
need to go through your other peripherals as well. Like, do you have a printer?
I think it's infected with a virus, so I can't use it.
Maybe that's the reason, sir, because the drivers of your printer are not working properly.
Yes.
That's the reason your printer is also not working. I just ask you, sir, because the whole networking problem. So if you have any other peripherals like a printer, a router, modem, scanner, if you have an iPod, iPad, iPhone, any tablet, smart TV, mobile phone
I've
connected, you
yeah, I've
need
got
to
a
secure it
typewriter.
and provide you a.
What
Go
a,
ahead, sir.
what about my typewriter? Can you secure that?
I can get you, sir.
I've got a typewriter. Can you secure that as well?
Exactly, if it's connected to the same
No.
network, we need to secure that as well so that it not get infected due to this, okay?
Yeah.
So we're gonna work right now, right away to fix up this entire problems and secure your identity
Okay.
here so that you not have these issues again and again. I just want you to type in there your 4 digits postcode so we can
Okay.
assign you the technicians and get your service
My
activated for
postcode.
you.
Hang on. Yeah.
It's 4170. First of all, we need to take the device to a secure server so that we
Okay.
can start securing your networking. Once your network will be secure, I will get this done for you.
Okay.
So in total, like the printer that you have, which is not in working state, is connected through a wire or it's a wireless printer.
Yes.
It's a wireless or it's a wired.
It's wireless. It's still at the shop. I haven't actually bought one.
All right. I'm gonna get this done. I just need the information from your side so we can go ahead and get the service activated. I need your name that you want to get registered for the services, your email in which you want all the documents, best available phone number to ring you back, your billing address, and the mode of payment. You can
Okay.
type in there your information and make sure there are no spelling mistakes. All right.
Okay. This guy's talking total rubbish. Anything that he's found wrong with his computer is completely false. His computer's in perfect condition. Let's type some crap in.
All right. And your email will be steven.70.
Yes.
It's at mail.com or it's at gmail.com.
No, it's just mail.com.
It's mail.com. All right.
Yeah.
So it will be a master debit or a master credit card.
It's a credit card.
It will be a credit card. You can help me out with the 16-digit card number.
Yeah.
You can read out the number.
Yeah, I'll type them in for you. I just want to have a quick look at my other window. Okay, I'll just quickly show everyone. He's actually typed that, porn infections detected. He's also typed that. I can type, anything you want here. So yeah, he's typed that, and then he's going to type that.
You can leave your computer, sir.
I'm just having a look. I'm just having a look. Hang on.
Sorry.
I'm just having a look around. That's all. Yeah, I've muted him so
Alright.
he can't hear me, and that's normal for lots to be stopped. Some will be stopped. Some will be running. What else did he do? Event viewer. That's normal. everything is not the things he's pointed out. He's just a scammer. That's normal for that. He also said something about can't remember what else he went through, but yeah, he's just lying about everything. It's all completely normal. So I can type anything I want in here, like
If you have anything, sir, you can ask me right now.
Yeah, oh, it's fixing my computer. He's trying to move the mouse on me. Hang on. Yep, I'm trying to enter the card number. Hang on. Hang on, I'm trying to enter my card number. That's what are you doing? Disabling them. Close that.
Why are you closing them? Let me walk over it.
I'm trying to enter my expiry date. I think he's on to me about.
Yeah, you can let me know your expiry date. I was gonna put that for you, but let you start the work as well. Alright? I'm just starting the work. Just give me a moment.
I think he's trying to wreck it. He can do whatever he wants. No, he's. Oh God. I'm gonna have to do a restore. Restarting my. He's trying to stuff my computer up. Nice try. Oh, simply do
What
that.
happened?
What do you mean? What happened? I think you're trying to. Oh, hang on, I've got it muted.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. I had you muted.
Yeah.
Yeah, what
Sorry?
are you doing to my computer? What are you doing to it?
How will you gonna get into your computer?
Well, you can't see what I'm doing, can you? But I've got a way.
You can use your computer. Sorry.
Oh, what'd you do to it? Oh well, you still there?
I'm
Yeah.
not able to hear you.
Yes. Do you want to hop back on? Oh, he disconnected, and I've reverted back to my previous snapshot.